love is all around, around her, around her, around her. You never let me go. You turn my life around, around her, around her, around her, around her. You never let me go.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful hair color, so keep on watching. So this is the hair that I used for the video. It's Yolissa hair. It's their body wave hair. I'm going to leave all details in my description box down below. So I got 4 bundles and a frontal. So I'm just showing you guys the hair right now. This is how the hair came. It came with DHL. I always love when I see that yellow package. So this is the bleach. I'm using the BW2, and this is the developer that I used to bleach the hair. So guys, I made so many mistakes in this video. I'm not even going to lie to you. So hopefully you guys are going to learn from my mistakes. So right now I'm just applying gloves. I'm putting on gloves. Hello. So there's my sister Dobra making an appearance. That day was hair day, so we're basically making wigs, revamping our old wigs. So yeah, that's why we look like shit. So right now I'm just mixing the developer and the bleach together. Guys, when you are bleaching your frontal, like I'm doing right now, the lace, make the bleach and the developer that you mix together, make the mixture very thick. I didn't make mine thick, so you see in a bit the mistake I made. I was supposed to make it very thick so it doesn't seep through and go into the hair. I'm raising it now for you guys to see. Do you guys see? So it seeped through and went into the roots of the hair and made the roots of the hair really bright. And oh goodness me, I wasn't, oh god, it was so annoying. So later on I had to go back in and use black dye to dye the roots, because I like the roots of my hair to be dark so it can blend with my skin color better. So right now I'm just bleaching the rest of the frontal after bleaching the lace. Guys, I wasn't supposed to leave the bleach on the frontal, on the lace, for too long. So that was actually supposed to be the last thing I did, so that I'll wash it like almost immediately after. So I'm giving you guys all the mistakes I made so you don't make the same mistakes I made. I think I have not bleached hair or dyed hair in a while, so I was rusty. Like I was really rusty. So right now I'm just applying the bleach all over the hair. As you're applying, I'm applying with the paintbrush, and as you're applying, you want to take a comb, a small tail comb, and brush through it so the product goes through every inch of the hair. You want to also flip it over so it goes round every part of the hair. So this process is actually not difficult, guys. It's something you can do by yourself if you're not lazy, because the truth is that it's just a matter of being lazy. It's something you can do yourself at home. You don't have to go and pay so much money for someone to color it for you. So right now I'm going into the bundles and I'm doing pretty much the same thing. The same thing is what I'm doing. So I'll just let you guys watch. And by the way, guys, today I didn't use foil paper. I'm using a waste disposal bag. It's just better, guys. When I used to use the foil paper, it used to tear like crazy. Like it was just so uncomfortable to work with. I feel like this is so much more better. So much better. So you let it sit for a while. Not a while, guys. I just really said a while. Like 15 minutes. Like once you see the hair start to change color, just wash it off. You don't want the bleach to stay on the hair too long so it doesn't damage the hair. So by the time I was done, I washed it with shampoo and conditioner and I started to make my wig. So yeah, this is me making my wig. This is the wig cap I like to use. This one is so comfortable on my head. So right now I'm just putting the frontal onto the wig cap using T-pins. Guys, I have a very detailed how to make a frontal wig video on my channel. I'm going to link it down below so you guys can go and see that. That one's beginner friendly. So here I am making my wigs and watching a bit of YouTube. YouTube is my TV, guys. Like I sleep on YouTube. If I'm working, YouTube is on. Like whatever I'm doing, like if I'm having a shower, I'm just listening to music or something. Like so yeah. there I am making my wig. I'll just let you guys watch. So I didn't mention before, guys, I forgot to mention, I didn't have enough bleach the first time I bleached my hair, so it didn't really bleach the hair well because the bleach was so small, like it wasn't enough. My bleach and developer were almost done, and I didn't realize until I started bleaching the hair, so I had to go and get more after making the wig, and I bleached it again. Guys, I was so scared that I was going to kill this hair. I'm so surprised and shook that this hair came out as well as it did with all the plenty things I did. God, and you know, too much bleach damages hair, so here I am bleaching this hair again, and it did not die. It still came out really good. So I just bleached it again. You can see the color is changing, so that's how you know that the hair has bleached. At this point you can see the color is actually changing right before your eyes. So yeah, I bleached the hair second time, washed it, and here is how it looked by the time it was dry. Yeah, so you see, if your hair doesn't turn this color when you are dyeing it, it won't dye. Basically. So this is the dye I'm using, this Adore dye, spiced amber and sienna brown. So I'm doing the watercolor method. That's like my new favorite method to do. So easy, so quick, you know. So right now I started with sienna brown and boiling hot water. I was just doing this thing in batches. Like, there's really no technique to how I did it. I was just doing it anyhow. I put a little bit of brown, and then I'll mix a little bit of the lighter color. Just, I wanted it to have like different shades of brown and blondes. I don't really know how to explain it, but you want to dip the hair into the boiling hot water mixed with the dye a couple of times. And then at this point, I decided to use just the light color for the tips of the hair and on some parts of the hair to create like highlights on the hair. I don't know if that makes any sense. I hope this video is self-explanatory because I'm not really explaining it well, but I'm hoping that as you're watching, you can see what I was trying to do. I was just doing it as the spirit leads, basically. So you see what I was saying about the what's it called, the bleach, making the roots of the hair. You see the color, oh god, it was so nasty. Like I had to go and dye it with black dye. So this is a very easy way to dye your hair. Very, very easy, very quick, like 5 minutes to 10 minutes you're done. And then you wash the hair, dry it. And here's the hair after I dried and everything and used hair curler to put some curls on it. I'm so in love with the color of this hair. Like everywhere I went, I just kept getting compliments. So right now I'm just putting a bit of foundation on the lace frontal so that when I put it on, it will blend with my hair color. That's pretty much the end of this video. Like, it's really easy. I hope I was able to explain it properly to you guys. If you have any questions, please ask me in the description, in the comment section down below. So this is the finished product. I really love how the hair came out. So gorgeous. Just look at, oh god, so beautiful. I'm going to leave all the details of the hair in the description box down below. Yolissa hair, I've tried a couple of their hair. They have really good hair. I've had hair that I've had from them for like a year now, and they're still going strong. So I would definitely recommend Yolissa hair. So that's it, guys. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Please like this video and leave a comment in the comment section down below. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.